Okay. The question reads, using a ruler, pencil, and compass only. A. Draw a line OA equals 10 centimeters. B. Construct the lines OB and OA such that angle AOB is 30 degrees and angle OAB is 60 degrees. Okay, you listen to the questions. In this question, follow the steps as I just read. The first thing is we draw the line AB, right? Yes, sir. We will draw a line OA. Draw a line OA. So this is the line OA, 10 centimeters. Please, as you're using 10 centimeters in your book, I will use 100 centimeters, but this means that I will double it, right? Because if I use 10 centimeters on the board, it will not be visible. So I will enlarge mine to 100 centimeters. Now, the next instruction says construct the line OB and AB. So how are we going to construct the lines OB and OA? We are told that the angle AOB should be 30 degrees. This is A. This is O. This is A. The angle AOB. B will be somewhere here, right? But we need to construct B such that the angle AOB should be 30 degrees. Now, we have just learned how to construct an angle of 60 degrees, which means that to construct an angle of 30 degrees, we simply construct an angle of 60 degrees and we bisect that angle, right? Good. So, I am constructing an angle of 60 degrees at the point O, right? I open the radius as we have already seen. Cut an arc. Draw an arc to cut what? The line segment OA and go right above O. Maintaining this same radius, I place it at the point of intersection where that arc cuts the line OA. I place it like that and I will draw another arc, making sure that the two arcs intersect. Now, I identify the point of intersection and connect these 2 points. This is not an angle of 30 degrees. This angle is 60 degrees. But now I need to construct an angle of 30 degrees. And we said to construct an angle of 30 degrees, I will bisect this angle, which means that this cannot be the point P. Are you getting that? Good. The point B will be obtained when I bisect this and have 30 degrees. On the line that will be 30 degrees at this point, right? So how do we bisect an angle? Please follow those steps. Look at it. What I do cleanly. I will open the radius and I will cut this angle 60 on both rays. I will cut the angle 60 on the rays, on this ray and on this ray, right? Identify the 2 points where the arc intersects the 2 rays of that angle. Open up another radius, set will draw an arc here with this same radius. I will place it now on this point, draw another arc. Are we together? So that the two arcs intersect. Where do they intersect? This is their common point of intersection. I now pick up my ruler, connect the 2 points, draw a line that will pass through that point and the point O. Right? Good. This line will make an angle of 30 degrees at O. This is now 30 degrees. So, which means that the point B will be on this line. But I don't know where the point B will lie. Please listen. The point B will be on this line, but I don't know where the point B will lie. So, the question continues to say that angle AOB, the angle made at A by O and B is what? Is 60 degrees. So which means that I need to go now to A and construct an angle of 60 degrees. Are we together? Okay. To construct an angle of 60 degrees at A, I need to cut an arc as we said, making sure that it goes above right? I need to cut an arc, making sure that it goes above that. Now, this arc, let us make sure the arc we are cutting, it should be in such a way that at the end, the length will be able to meet with this one. So I open a radius. Actually, we change the chalk, please. Yes, we reset our compass. Good. Now, we open a bigger radius, right? Fasten it. Yes, approximately this. I cut an arc. Are we together? 60 degrees says we maintain the same radius, we cut another arc, or we draw another arc. So where these two arcs intersect, we identify the point of intersection and we connect the point here with A, right? Good. Okay. In this construction, where will the point B be? The point B will be the intersection of this line and this line. Right? Good. So we continue this line, or we extend this line. Where the two meet, this is now the point B. And this angle is 60 degrees. This angle is 30 degrees. That is what you were asked to do in that question. So, we have constructed the line OB. This is OB. We've constructed the line AB. This is AB. With those specific conditions. C, the C part of that question says, construct the perpendicular from the point B, this is the point B, to the line OA. And we are just from constructing a perpendicular from a point to a line, right? And we were told that to construct a perpendicular, we pick up our compass, place it on that point, right? And do what? make sure we draw an arc that will curve that line at 2 points. We draw an arc that will curve that line at 2 points. Identify our 2 points of intersection. This is 1 point, and this is the other point, right? Now, from those 2 points, placing our compass on one of the points and opening a radius approximately more than half the distance between the 2 points, we draw 2 arcs on the other side, right? Place it on this other and maintain the same radius. Maintaining the same radius, we draw another arc. So much so that the 2 arcs intersect. Now we have done that. Seeing that the 2 arcs intersect, we identify the point of intersection and pick up our ruler and connect the point B to that new point of intersection. Good. If we take up our compass, our protractor, and measure this angle, the angle at the middle here of this line, what do you see? You notice that the line falls exactly at 90, which means that this angle here is 90, and that gives us the perpendicular from this to this line. Can you see that? Good. So, the last part of the question says we should measure BD. So, that point D is the point where the perpendicular from B meets the line OA. So, this is the point D. Measuring the distance from B to that point D, we place the 0 mark at B, measuring that distance again from what I have here. This is 40, 41, 42, 43. 43 centimeters. 43 centimeters from what we can have as the measure from our ruler.